here temporarily. Okay? Move it this way. So it's not down. And there are plastic feet on the bottom of this that we might want to put, we might need to put some felt. Yeah. Wait a minute. Okay. Because these are. Let's see. I just need a little cleanup. It's a little dusty. And we're gonna go a gentle. You know what? I'm gonna trim this. Because this. Look in here. There you go. Yep. Pick a spot. Yeah. Not yet. We're gonna do it there. Push. Okay. So you clear.
So we get it where we want it.
Yeah. Okay.
You gotta get on the other side of that light switch and it's.
Yeah, just a second. It's just the wood. Look at little paws. You have a mirror for here, and then we got our ruby bar stuff doing here.
Yep.
Right?
Canters and
Yep,
this already got a mirror back here.
yep, and we got one more for here. Thinking about doing black shades, all black shades, but maybe not. So this is an old one. That's not the way. This, which I like. I think that looks nice.
I like that.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, now I'm not sure which way I want to do it.
Okay, let's just set her down.
Okay, we're gonna either. It's gonna be kind of in. Match it up a little bit. It's gonna be cozy, but I want it to be, so you can. And it's all picked up. I'm sorry, baby. Everything we can move is groovy, right?
Heavy. All right, are you ready?
Yeah, muscles.
I'm ready.
Okay, okay, just a second. Turn this way. Okay, set it down.
You need to adjust it all?
Okay, because it's really messed up on this.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Go ahead.
And this side's actually lighter than the other side.
Yeah.
too. Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Finally have gotten this construction zone of a living room and sunroom looking like real living space, and we're pretty excited about the way things are coming out. We thought we'd just kind of share how we put it together and how we're designing it, at least for now until we get more things that we want to put in here. But yeah, got the floors all leveled up. Got the hardwoods down, got some trim around windows and doors, got these French doors restored, and we're at a pretty good spot right now as far as turning this into a home in these areas. So we thought we'd just show you around and let you see what we've done.
Let's look in here. In the sunroom. We've kind of got the room put together for now. As we come across furniture that we like better, that works better for the room, because I want to do low furniture. I want to do like some swivel barrel chairs, something small, kind of compact, that we can look outside in the morning with coffee, or in the evening with a glass of wine or something. So everything that's kind of in here is what we have to work with for now, and as we find things from thrift store, consignment store, Facebook, marketplace, then we'll get that, and if I can't find exactly what I want, then we will buy new. But that's like last option. We like to repurpose if we can. And then we got this chair on Facebook, which is a great chair, but I want to do something that's more of a two-seater, low bench or love seat type of thing in here, just because the views are beautiful and we don't want to block them. So everything is in process as far as changing out, and I'm sure you'll see changes as we go along. And I'm going to add some curtains, like a lightweight linen curtain, just when it's really, really sunny, that we'll put up, but I haven't sorted that out yet. I just kind of fly by the seat of my pants and add as I see something that I like. And then come in here, and you can kind of see what's going on in this room, which for now, This is gonna be the dining room area. We've been calling it the living room, but it's kind of gonna be a sitting room too. I might do a couple chairs here, so in front of the fireplace. After it gets cute, then we can sit by the fire and enjoy that. Doug plays the piano all the time, so it'll give a place to sit and listen to music if we want. And then the dining room will be changing too. I'm gonna do kind of more of a furniture type chairs instead of a hard surface chair. So we'll see how that all shakes out.
So next up, we need to finish the hardwood flooring into this area and down the hallway so that we're ready to move the hardwoods into the kitchen area. We got to start the beautification process of our chimney and our fireplace area, which has all been structurally put back together, but now it just needs the stucco and the soapstone. And this door over here needs to be jammed and put in so that the water filtration system and the hot water tank aren't part of the living room. And then we'll be moving on into the kitchen to do the full kitchen reno. So we got a lot left to do in here. We thank you for watching this video. Please hit like if you liked it and consider subscribing, follow along with us, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Thank you. Bye.